If I start to stir, then there's no storm starting over. I can see it.
All right, action.
Daddy, I'm not ready. Hello, I am Julia, and I'm going to be making energy balls. First, we have the rolled oats. I'm going to be putting in a cup. We don't need to exactly measure them. Into the bowl. And then I am going to be taking the peanut butter. There is definitely no exact measurement for this. So we're just going to open the lid and scoop some peanut butter out. Scoop. Stuck. Then I'm going to get a whole lot more. That's even less. Oh well. Hey Dad, can I have a knife? You know what? Right here. All right. Now I'm going to pause on the peanut butter and put some honey in. Again, there is no exact measurement. I'm just going to plop it. Just not too much, not too little. That looks about right. Next, I'm going to be putting in some vanilla. There's no exact measurement, so I just grab a small one. And I'm going to fill it up with the vanilla. Vanilla, not vanilla. Just a couple drops is all it takes. Now I'm going to stir this in because I don't want the vanilla. Okay. Now I'm going to put in some more peanut butter. There is, however, one more ingredient I haven't shown you. The chocolate chips. I'm going to open the bag. Then, there's absolutely no number, no measurement, or anything for the chocolate chips. Sugar. Okay. Dump it in. Now we're going to put this back in the ingredients line. And we're going to get back. Back to the peanut butter, I guess. You might even be able to add sprinkles, but my dad says I can't, so I'm not gonna. Okay, we're done with all the stirring. Sure, some people might ask why it's called energy balls if from here there's no balls. So, I am going to quickly go wash my hands. You can pause the video.
What? Take that off when you're done. Yep. Because it needs more peanut butter.
My brothers are forcing me to add a little more peanut butter, so I'm going to. It might make a mess, but once you eat it, it's yummy. Real quick. Now, for this part, all I need is a plate and this. Mush them all into a ball. Hey, I'm successfully making one this time. One ball done. Every single ingredient mushed up into one little clump. Grab some more, make another. If they fall apart, that's fine. See, they aren't the same size, and that is okay. See, one hand will stay still, and the other will go in a circle, making the ball rounder and rounder. So good. It's yummy. Do that thingy again back there. The up and down you guys are doing.
No.
Come on. Yes.
That. He's gonna.
Just put up and down.
No, he's gonna do something else by himself.
Yeah, do something behind me. Just to amuse people. Actually, make sure they can see it. I can see what's going on behind me and in front. It's creepy.
Okay, that's true. Okay, that's
So, take your time to make the balls. Oh, look. Now they're almost the exact same size because I ate the small one. Brothers. What are you doing? Ah! Hey! My dad just snuck one. Hey, no! Nope. This one's not supposed to go in there, Daddy. It's gonna go back into the peanut butter jar. This one just gonna scrape it off. Oh my. You got a lot. Wow. Ah! Dad! My father took more. I hope you saw it because I didn't. Don't touch. Don't touch. Oh, look, I have a teeny tiny one. I have a big, perfect round and a teeny tiny one. Hi, Daddy. Look at this teeny tiny little fella. Want it? It's like people are coming from the camera. Don't
Random fact, cooking hack that I highly recommend you pay attention to. Do not eat a chocolate chip and then drink orange juice right after that. It does not.
Sorry.
Tune in next time to watch Lydia make her world famous crepes. Drop a like if you've seen Lydia's cooking videos from 3 years ago.
So now I'm making them a different way. As you see, I paused. This one, look at this. Yum, yum. My baby. Okay. Took a lot of work. Thanks for cooking, Julia.
your mess now.
Don't want to.
Ooh, someone